Hi, welcome to Weelko. Today we'll talk about HERN, a two-section multifunctional bed with an elegant design. It's a kit with one engine that controls the table height by means of a lateral button built in the right part of the structure. A foot controller and a hand controller are also available as an option. It has one column, so it's very stable when it goes up and down. Its cushions and signs turn it into an all-round table, very comfortable for the client. This bed is ideal for massages, sports therapies, or beauty treatments. The inclination of the backrest is adjustable by a gasket. White PU upholstery of high quality and easy to clean. Paper roll holder included. For more information about our devices and beds, you can visit our website www.weelko.com.